don't you let a poor boy ride? Let a poor boy ride. Well, don't you hear me crying?
Stack like this.
This track sounds a lot like it's a hard knocks life, right? Which is kind of ironic now, coincidental with type sight. The nightlife ain't what it's cracked up to be, kiddos. Listen as I spit a little red like a rainbow, beautiful coming out of my mouth, Skittles. Ain't from the south, I'm from the Midwest, but still dirty. So don't test me, cause my skills hurting. Wording. Any enemy within my vicinity, now you're skirting around the truth so pretty. And yet so masculine, you better bet your ass again. That if you ask to pass the gin, forget about COVID-19. Chatterlack's the worst pathogen you'll ever cross path with again.
Flowstack lightning, shining just like gold. Why don't you hear me crying? Won't you tell me, baby, where did you stay that night? Stop your train. Why don't you hear me? Come on. Don't hear me crying. Baby, won't you let a poor boy ride? Let a poor boy ride. Why don't you hear me crying? Why don't you hear me crying?
Flowstack like
Yo,
this.
this is dope within dope, man. When I say dope, man, I mean the dope man. The track produced by those melanated brothers with attitudes. Better check yours at the door, man. You ain't on my level, ho. I rap my latitude. About to snap Ozzy Osbourne's head off and throw the bat at you. Now who you mad at, dude? You must have been knowing who the track was when you turned it on. So where's the gratitude? I'm the master of the mix down. Don't got this shit down. The mastering part, sped up and faster. Give me some latitude. I was just joking, bro. I ain't mad at you.
Flowstack lightning, shining just like gold. Why don't you hear me crying? Come on, tell me, where did you stay that night? Stop your train. Oh, and come on, baby, why don't you let a poor boy ride? Let a poor boy ride. Why don't you hear me crying? Why don't you hear me crying? Flowstack lightning, shining just like gold. Why don't you hear me crying?